Good morning, dear students. Welcome to another session of microwave and antennas. So in the previous session, we started a discussion with respect to different types of antennas. So in that, we discussed regarding helical antenna, in which we had discussion pertaining to a few of the geometric specifications which were related to helical antenna. Then apart from that, we discussed what are the different modes of operation or different types of helical antennas, what we observe depending on its modes. There are two modes of operation, that is the axial mode of operation and the normal mode of operation. So, and these mode of operations basically depend on the direction of the maximum radiation intensity or the direction of the peak value. So depending on that, we have this mode of operation or the classification. So in axial mode, what we observe that the radiation is maximum along the axis of the helical antenna. That is, if I consider phi equal to 0, the radiation is maximum along this direction. But if we consider the other aspect, we have maximum along the direction normal to the axis of the antenna. If this is the case and I have a maximum along the normal, then we have the normal mode of operation. So because of this, what we specify in axial mode of operation, we get the end fire array condition. So it acts as an end fire array. So these are the array elements, what we can specify. So it acts as an end fire element. So therefore, we have the term as end fire mode of operation. Whereas in the normal mode, what happens? You have a radiation which is in a direction normal to the axis of the helical antenna. So because of this, we classify it as a broadside mode of operation. So array, if we just observe, it is a broadside array. It is representing a broadside array. So therefore, we can specify it as a broadside mode of operation. So then we saw a few of the parameters pertaining to helical antenna, that is beamwidth between first null. Then we observed what is half power beamwidth equation. So what are the relations with respect to the pitch angle associated with the spacing, the overall length of one turn. So all these aspects we had observed. So these were few of the things pertaining to the helical antenna. And then we looked into one of the problems associated with the helical antenna. Next, we discussed regarding the